In this video, how to install Windows 11 without Microsoft account. In the first case, when we install Windows 11 Home Edition, we are required to sign in with a Microsoft account to proceed. There is no option to create a local account, and instead, we are forced to use a Microsoft account. The reason is that during the Windows 11 installation, an internet connection is required. Without an internet connection, we cannot proceed past this step in the installation process. To install Windows 11 without a Microsoft account, we need to disconnect from the internet. If you are using a wired connection, simply unplug the cable from your computer. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, you can follow these steps. Press Shift plus F10 or Fn plus Shift plus F10 if you are using a laptop. A command prompt window will open. Run this command to display the connected Wi-Fi network. Run this command to disconnect from the internet. Finally, run this command, and the computer will restart automatically. As you can see, we now have the option to install Windows without an internet connection. This also allows us to create a local account instead of being required to use a Microsoft account. In some cases, when installing Windows 11, you may get stuck at this screen. The next button is grayed out, and you cannot continue without connecting to the internet. To install Windows without the internet or Microsoft Online account, press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard or Function plus Shift plus F10 on a laptop. This will open the command prompt. Press Alt plus Tab to switch to the command prompt window. In the command prompt window, type the following command, then press Enter. Your computer will restart and take you back to the initial setup screen. Go through the setup steps again. Now, you'll see an option to skip for now or I don't have internet on the network connection screen. This allows you to proceed with a local account without connecting to the internet. In the second case, if you are installing Windows 11 Pro or higher editions, you can stay connected to the internet to continue the setup process. At this step, you will see two options. If you select the first option, you will need a Microsoft account to proceed. As you can see, you will get the same screen when installing Windows 11 Home and cannot to be continue without a Microsoft accounts. Therefore, go back and select the option set up for work or school. At the login page, choose Sign-in options. From here, select Domain Join instead. As you can see, this allows us to create a local account and continue installing Windows without using a Microsoft account. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.